This is 2025, and there's hardly any task left that AI can't do. Whether it's generating images, editing videos, or writing full articles, AI can handle almost anything you ask it to do. But still, there are some areas where using AI is not allowed. For example, imagine you're working in a university or school as a computer teacher, and you have hundreds of students under you. You give them a coding assignment, and the next day they all come back with their code written. Now the question is, how do you know whether they actually wrote it themselves or just used AI? Or let's say you're a senior software developer in a company, and you want to check whether your junior developer wrote the code himself or got it generated by AI. How would you find out? To do this, you'd need to use different types of websites or tools. And while most of these might not give you 100% accurate results, in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that gives up to 99% accuracy. And the best part? With just one click, it tells you how much of the code is AI generated and how much is human written. CodeSpy.ai is like a smart assistant for programmers. With just one click, it can tell you whether your code was written by a human or generated by AI. It supports 6 different programming languages, making it super useful for students, teachers, and professional developers. All you have to do is paste your code, hit submit, and boom. It gives you a detailed analysis of your code, showing how much is AI generated and how much is handwritten. So, let's put this tool to the test and see how well it works. First, when you visit CodeSpy.ai, you'll see a clean and simple interface. Click on Register and enter your details. Once you're done, you'll be able to log into your dashboard. After logging in, click on New AI Scan. This will open a new window where you can test your code. Now, just paste your code into the box provided. In my case, I generated some code using ChatGPT, so I already know this is 100% AI generated. After pasting your code, you need to select the programming language. CodeSpy supports languages like Java, C#, Python, JavaScript, and a couple more. Since my code is in Java, I'll select Java from the dropdown. Now click on Submit. Within a few seconds, CodeSpy will analyze the code and generate a detailed AI detection report. Let's see the result. It says this code is 98% AI generated. For details, we can click on. The result here, we see exactly what AI Detector Pro Code found. You'll notice that some parts of the code are highlighted in red. These are the most likely to be generated by an AI model. Code highlighted in orange is slightly less likely but still very likely to be generated by an AI model code. In black is not likely to be generated by an AI model. Using this information, we can pinpoint where AI was used in our source document. Now let's check out a piece of human-written code. I'm going to paste it right here and click on Analyze. See? It shows the result, 100% human-written. That means CodeSpy can clearly detect the difference between code written by a person and code generated by AI. And here's the best part. CodeSpy isn't just a website. It also offers plugins for Visual Studio, GitHub, and even ChatGPT. You can download and install these plugins to use CodeSpy directly inside your favorite tools. So that's it for today's video. I know this was a bit different from the usual content you see on my channel, but I really hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video and want more useful tools and tutorials, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, take care, and see you in the next one.